Hey there, this is a tutorial video on how to add the video virtual open house to your properties and how easy it is to do so. So we're going to go in and grab a property that we want to add it to. So you just go into manage properties, choose your property, and then it's going to be option number 1. We moved it there so it's easy to find and easy to do. So there's a couple different things here. I want to go through these and make sure that it makes sense. So if there is an existing video that's there and you don't want it anymore, you can remove it. This one does, so we can remove that video from the property. If you want to record a video from the device that you happen to be on right now, you can do that. You can click on Add Video and the pop-up window will show up here. But most people are recording video from their phone, or they're having their sellers go out to the property and record from their phone. So all you need to do is say, send a text message to the phone. I've got my phone here. I will show it to you when it gets to me. So I just got a text message. You just heard it. I will click on that link and show you. It just says, use this link to create a custom video virtual open house. Somewhere in there. So that's it. You can send that to your sellers, like I said, or you can send it to your own phone. And when you're at the property, you can record, and there's 2 options, and I'll show these to you here when you're on your phone. So you can record from camera, or you can upload a file. And so those are the 2 things that you're going to be presented with. If you want to record live off of your phone, just click on record from camera. You've got 15 minutes. It's important to know. I've seen a lot of agents that have hit that threshold, and they're still obviously getting cut off in mid-sentence, so I'm sure it's frustrating, but 15 minutes is the maximum amount of time that you have to record. So don't exceed that. Plan ahead and make sure you, don't even do more than 10 minutes. And this isn't because of storage, just this is just people's attention spans these days. So record from camera. We'll do it live. You cannot pause the live video if you're recording using our tool. But if you want to record on your phone and just get that done prior to having this text come to you, you can just go around like you normally record, your friends or family. Do that same kind of video. You can pause live recording, restart on your phone. You can do that. Once you do that, then you use the upload a file option. And what will happen is you'll click on upload a file, and depending on what kind of phone or device you're on, you will say from files, and you just go and find the files that are on your phone. So I've got a number of them right there, and you just go navigate, just like you would navigate, in Explorer or whatever other device you might be on, to find the right files. And that's how you do that. Alternatively, if you want to, and so this is an either or, if you want to use a Facebook video, because a lot of agents are doing Facebook Live videos, you can actually embed in the Facebook Live video, and all you have to do is right click, show video URL, copy that URL, and put that in here, and you're good to go. And there's no time constraints on that. That can be as long as you want it to be. So if you want to go past 15 minutes, maybe this is the way you go about doing that. And that is the way this works. Very simple, very easy. Oh, and as soon as you're done, the video will be attached to the Elegant Tour, only the Elegant Tour. So no other tours are going to have this video intro. It'll show up right in the beginning. So let's see. I don't remember what this video is on this property. Let's just go ahead and see. I didn't save that Facebook one. I just want to show you the end result. So it's going to pop up initially in the very beginning. This is something I did. I recorded this a while ago, and it'll show up right away. It's going to refer to how to get it into full screen. All right, we're testing. So you can go into full screen, and once you're done, when you close that, then it goes into the standard tour, and people can get all the information on the property that they want to get. So that's how it works. Any questions, let us know at support@listingsmagic.com, or you can use our online chat during normal business hours. That's down here in the lower right-hand corner. All right, thanks.